Hi everyone, this is Artwork ID here, and welcome back to today's tutorial. Today I will teach you how to draw vector orange in Affinity Designer. First of all, to bring up the color menu, we can get it by clicking on the view bar above. Then select Studio and look for color. For color settings, I usually use HSL with slider format. You can use the coloring settings you normally use. We will start by making the outline first. Set the color for the outline. Then we set the thickness and the width of the stroke menu. To bring up the menu bar stroke, we can find it in View then Studio, just like we brought up the color menu. Then we continue to make its outline with the pen tool. After the outline of the orange is complete, we continue by making an outline for the other parts. We create a new layer and put the layer for the outline stem below the orange layer. Click Insert behind the selection above to place the layer under the orange outline layer. We adjust the thickness to make it more pleasing to the eye. Repeat again to make leaves. Follow the lines according to the sketch, or can be adjusted again if something doesn't fit. To make the center of the leaf, I made by creating a custom stroke and making the tip a bit sharp. You can make it like this. Then insert this layer into the leaf layer. Then we give all the outline colors that were made earlier. Give base color to each part. Here I want to make the right side of the orange darker than the right side. We use the Fill tool to make color gradations first. Find a color that suits your taste. We continue to make the shape. On the shape, I use the transparency tool to adjust the thickness and color gradation, and to make it look more blended with the base color. reduce the opacity a little. To make the bottom of the orange, I want to color it a darker color than the rest. Do the same for the leaves and stem. When finished, we save the file and export it to PNG, or you can export it with the format you want. And for the pixels, I can export them with a size of 3000 to 5000 pixels, or can also be customized as needed. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and let me know your opinion in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video, everyone. Thank you.